Everyone, welcome back. Let's see how to use on lookup trigger in pages, and also we will see like how to populate the um, options based on the previous drop down or the filtering the data. Okay, so this is the thing sample which we are going to implement now. So if I click here, like if I click here technology, accordingly your book title. Okay, so this one, your book title will display the technology related book. Okay, so if I select anything like a history, you can see like it will populate only the books related to the history. Okay, history genre. So that is what we are going to see today, how to create like this. Okay, so for this what I'll be doing is what, this particular book title I'll be creating as a separate table. Okay, and I will create a list page. I'll be adding those genre and book title in that list. Okay, let us do it. Hmm, yeah, I have already created all these like outline, like what we are going to do is what we'll be creating a book title. Okay, so let's start with creating a book title. Start with t table. Okay, and mm, let us give the name as book title. Okay, so in that book title we saw like we have title, right? So let's have this as um title, and this is text. Okay, and I'm going to make this text as 100, and here you can see this is the data classification. Then let's create another field. Okay, where this field, we'll be having it as a book journal. Okay, and sorry, this is a id, so let me just make this as 2, and this is book journal. And what is that? It's like option. Okay, because I want to get this journal as options. So if you add option, if the data type is option, you have to add the members. Okay, so let me just give the option members, which is equal to, like, I'll just have one empty, and then you can add multiple things like fiction, mm, technology, then sciences and history. Okay, so if you want to add multiple things, you can just go ahead like this: biography, mystery, everything. So I'm just leaving as of now. And then the key, this is very important part for any table, that you have to specify which field is your key field. So I'm just going with a pk. This is the name which you have to assign. It's like an id, you can give any name for this. Okay, this can be user defined. And then what you're going to do is what, I'm going to keep title and book journal. Okay, so I'll be having title and book journal both as a key. So, and I'll be leaving this clustered is equal to true, because you are making this as a clustered index to be searched for, and I'm not going to assign any other triggers here. So just it's a simple table for title and the book journal. Okay, so now let's create a list page for this. Okay, so let me just start with t page, and I'll just go with any id. So the thing is, like, I wanted to make this as a book title list. Okay, so the page type is list, and application area is equal to all, and the table you have to bring in the book title. Okay, and other than that, let's go to the repeater. Let's just bring in the title first. Okay, let it be like title. mm, Let me delete this, copy this for next. So I'll just start with title, and this is title. Let's have this. And the next one is, like, I want book journal, right? Book journal. Okay, so I'm not going to do any other thing for this particular, because I'm just going to get the list. I don't have any fact box or any other actions I'm going to perform, so I'll just leave this as such. So this is a simple list page. Okay, so let's create a table book. Okay, that is where we are going to get all these details. So let's create a table. T table. mm, so let's make this as a book table. And the data classification, let's first one might will be the book ID. So let's make this as a book ID. And next one st field, and the next one will be the second one, which is a book publisher. Let me just make it as book publisher. Okay, so you can add as many as you want, like how many fields you wanted to have it for the book. Okay, so I'm just leaving this book ID. Then the next one will be the book title. Let's have this as a book title. And the fourth one will be the book genre, which is the option one. That is a fiction, like whatever we have given there, like all these things you will be having. And the fifth one will be, if you want to add the author, you can add it, like if you want to add author, if you want to bring in the book title, you can also bring in, okay, the book publisher. So book ID, book publisher, book title, and the book genre. If you just want to leave here as such, you can leave. If you want to add more things, then you can add it. And what are the key, which one you want to make it as a key is for the book ID. Okay, let it be book ID. Okay, delete other things and then just leave it. Okay, so this is what for the book we have created. So here you have to do one thing. What is what in the book title? Okay, we have to relate the table. That is a important one. We have to do that. Okay, so in the book title, I'll be using a table relation, and I'll be writing a var class here. Okay, book title dot title. Okay, and what I'll be doing is what I'll be writing a var class here, where I have to filter the book genre, right? So you have to make it as book genre is equal to field of book genre. So which field you want to bring in here? So when I click on that particular title, accordingly the genre should be filtered, and it should be displayed here. So for that, I'm going to create, I should write this relation. Okay, so this is what the important point, which you have to do it in the table level. So now let us create. So what happens here, this var condition will be a filter. Okay, we have given this var condition, right? So this will be a filter here. Okay, and this filter condition will be applied to the table relation. It filters the record in the book title. So this will filter the record in this book title which we have given, right? So here you can see this is a book title, this is another table. We are relating that table title, and we are just bringing up the book genre here. Okay, this is a simple thing. Let's create the final one, which is the book card. Okay, so here we are going to use the on lookup. So just make it as T page. Okay, this is a card page, so let's make it as a card page. Okay, 20120, and I'm just going to 50120. I'm just going to make this as book card. Okay, and the table name is what? My book is my table name. Okay, so I'm just going to make it as a book table. So I have to bring in what are the details which I want. Okay, so the first detail which I want is what? The book ID. Okay, and the second one which I wanted to bring is what? The book publisher. And the third one which I want to bring it is what? The book what you want, like a book genre. Okay, journal. And the fourth one, in the title I'll be writing the on lookup. So why I should write where you want to bring it? So title, it has to look up any specific page. Okay, journal, I'll be just selecting the journal. Accordingly the title should come up, right? So that you have to write it clearly. So T field, book title. Okay, so here you have to write what? A on lookup. So T trigger on what? On lookup. Okay, if you're writing a lookup, like there are few syntax for that. If you are creating a lookup page, then you should pass one text parameter here. That is, you should create one text parameter which should be passed as an argument, and it should return the value boolean. Okay, this is what, like, if you are trying to use any other data type, it will throw you error. Okay, so let's just create it. So where I'm just creating a text. Okay, and I'm just making this as a text because this is what actually the default one which you have to use, and I'm going to make it as a boolean because this is what expected. Okay, and in the where I'll be bringing in the book title record. Okay, book title record, I will bring the complete book title record here. So in the begin, what I'll be writing is what I'll explain that, so just wait with me. Set range of book journal, comma, record dot book journal. Okay, and then if page dot run model. So I'll tell you what is that run model. Okay, of page colon book title. Okay, based on my previous thing, it automatically comes up. Like here you can see book title. I'll explain this, just stay with me. Okay, begin. So you have to start with then begin. So what you'll be writing, text colon is equal to book title dot title, exit true. So here you have an end, and exit false. So what actually we are trying to do here, so let me just explain this. Page, if page run model, so what we are actually trying to do it here. Okay, so trigger on lookup, as I told already, and in this particular line we are trying to, so this one, like we are trying to hold the book title record. All the field of that book title, which are the table, will be holded by the book title variable. Okay, this is a variable, and inside that we'll be calling that book title dot range, set range book journal record dot journal. What is this? This line actually filters the book title record. It sets a range on the book journal field of the book title table to match the book journal of the current record. So whatever you have selected for that particular record, it will be fetching your data. This ensure that only the book title with the same journal as the current book are shown in the lookup. Okay, so this is the important line you have to add. The next one is if page dot run model. This is what, so this is like, see, if I select here, it is displaying me some pop-up, right, some window. So this is what the model dialog. Okay, this will pass the filtering, it will filter the book title record. Okay, so for that is why in that run model I should get only the book title from this particular list page. Okay, I wanted to get the page, and in that page I'll be getting the book list from the book title record. Okay, if you just keep your mouse cursor on the run model, you can see this is a procedure, and you will be passing anything, like, because you will be adding a page. Okay, and you have to tell which record, from which record you are trying to get it, and which field you wanted to display. Okay, so this is what actually it's happening, and this will actually indicate the specific action user selects. Okay, so if we are selecting, this is the action. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to look up. Okay, so that is what the action, and then you are assigning the book title dot title to the text. Okay, this will return true if you are trying to select it, or else it will return false. That's it. Okay, and we are not going to add any actions here, and we are not going to do any other things here in this particular page, so you can just stop it right here. So that's it about this. So this is what the small thing which you have to do it. And once you are done, what is the first step you have to do? Is what you have to save this and execute. Okay, once you execute, you have to first add your list. Okay, book list. You can just go and search your book list. You have to first give the title and add it, because like if it is a dog breed, like these are all the dogs and these are all the breeds. Okay, dogs and these are all the breeds. But if you take books, like there will be n number of genre and n number of n number of book titles will be there. So you have to add this first manually. Okay, so what is the book name? So introduction to, okay, you can add that, and you have to ensure that you're selecting a genre here. So like this you have to add it. So if you don't want to add it manually, then you can create a coordinate. If you want to know how to write the coordinate for this, just comment. I will tell you how to write the coordinate for this. Okay, just add the list will be saved. Okay, now you can just go to the book card. So you can find that book card is available here, and you can just start giving the book id 105, like book publisher. Okay, so and then you can write the book publisher. Okay, and once if you give like book publisher, I'm just going as Apris. And if you select here technology, accordingly you can find the, so recently we have added introduction to Tableau, right? So you can find introduction to Tableau is added here. Click OK. That's it. Okay, your data will be saved. So I haven't created the list page for the book table. I have created only the list page for the book list. So if you want to add the book list page for the book table, you can do it. Okay, so I hope you all understand how to use the on lookup trigger, and also how to filter the records based on the previous selection. I'll meet you soon with the next exciting topic. Thank you, take care, and bye bye. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, so please go and subscribe now. Take care.